Alright guys, check this out. This is Sapphire Blueberries, okay? See how big they are? These are from, I believe they say it's from Peru. Yeah, check this out. So, jumbo blueberries. Look how big they are. They were on sale, but they're still pretty pricey. But I'm going to do a quick taste test for you and tell you what it tastes like. So, let's open this up. Alright, so this will give you a better idea how big they are. So, check the size of this right here. You see the size of these blueberries? So, and they're all about this size. Look at this. Look at the size of that blueberry right there. There's my thumb. Here's the size of the blueberry. So, yeah, so I'll be right back. I'm going to wash them and then do a quick taste test. Okay, so they're all washed, and here we go, quick taste test. Okay, so first thing is, they're very juicy. They're totally different than the North American blueberries. North American blueberries doesn't give you a lot of juice. It's more like the fiber that's in there. This is like teeming with juice. Look at the insides there. They have very little seeds in them. There's some seeds, but not like as much as what we get in North America. Texture is like a grape. So think of it like a grape with mild, very mild blueberry flavor and very juicy. That's what basically it tastes like. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.